friends, this is Pujita and welcome to my YouTube channel Job Setup by Pujita. Friends, if you are watching this video for the first time, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on bell icon for more latest job updates which are posted by me, friends. And my suggestion, friends, please watch the entire video. Don't skip the video in the middle. By chance, if you skip the video, you are going to miss some of the main important points which are posted by me about the video and about the details which are posted by me. Okay, all the best, friends. So I have made previously one video about TCS National Qualifier Test in Telugu, but some people has requested me to make the video in English. So this is the video of the same details which I am making in English, guys. So please watch this and you can apply for this vacancy as soon as possible. Why? Because the last date is going to complete as soon as possible. So coming to the details how to apply for the job, stay connected. I am going to tell you right now. So to apply for this TCS NQT test, National Qualifier Test, what you need to do is you can enter this learning.tcsionhub.in, this URL in your Chrome browser latest updated version, and you can click on search option. So this is the official page where you can find it to apply for the details. So this is TCS NQT National Qualifier Test, actually it is. So if you can see here, this is a free registration and the test dates will be on 18 February and 19 February 2021, and the registration will be closed by 2021 February 10th. So by chance if you miss this opportunity, you will be losing some of the best company in India, friends. So don't miss this opportunity. In this video I will be showing you how to register for the job and what the options you need to select for this if you are interested. So if you come down, if you scroll down, you can find here exactly what for what use is this company, this test is useful. So National Qualifier Test, this will be useful for in multi-level companies like multinational companies. So many companies will prefer this test score as the base for joining in the company. Freshers can also apply for this. So for entry level jobs are also will also be useful for this. Industry specific knowledge and insights, specializations on skills required to perform on various job roles. So NQT score will be useful, like it will be valid till 2 years. Suppose if you write exam for this year and you can't apply for any job for 2 years, you have a time validity of this course. So if you can see here about the test, candidates with NQT score will be eligible to apply on the TCS Ion job listing portal. So mode of test will be in center. TCS Ion authorized exam centers, they will be providing you the exam details once after you applying and registering for this test details. Okay, and I have mentioned you right 2-year validity. If you can see here, this is 2-year validity of NQT score, and apply for any entry level job role in corporate with NQT score. Okay, so who can apply this job? Undergraduate, postgraduate and diploma students, either in their pre-final year or final year also can apply for this. So again coming to this degree, any degree holders also can apply for this, and freshers with less than 2 years of experience also can apply for this. Okay, so if you can see here, branch that acknowledge TCS NQT means TCS is having different Tata groups, right? So it's into Tata Consultancy Services, Tata Electronics, Titan, Equifax, Data Patterns, UXD jobs like Seacon, Signots, Chroma. So if you have NQT good score, you will be eligible for applying for these companies also. Okay, so here you can find like TCS NQT variants. So you need to select like NQT attitudinal alignment NQT psychometric test. So these are the various NQT, industry NQT, subject NQT. You can select according to your knowledge. So if you are interested in IT programming, you can select this, or either basic communication skill, computer skills, or accountant. Okay. So totally based upon your skills, you can select all the which you wanted variants, NQT or either industry NQT or subject NQT. So if you wanted to know more about this, you can see here no more option, right? If you click no more option, you can find more details about this. So next I'm going to share you journey to a dream job. It's a so simple process, friends. No need to worry to fill this form and registration procedure. First, just to register, and you need to select TCS NQT variant. Before I show you right NQT variants, so based upon your knowledge only, you need to select your variants, and the next step is take the test. You need to go to the TCS Ion Center and you need to write the exam. If you get a benchmark score, you will be eligible, and that score will be validity for 2 years. After that, you can apply for a corporate job as per your eligibility criteria. Okay. If you have any questions regarding this after my video also, you can give a call to them. You can click on this option, request a call back, or either you can call on that toll free number, or you can email your concern to this email ID, or you can do a message from any of your network operator to the number mentioned over here. Okay, this is the process, and if you have any further questions, you can find over here. Okay, what is TCS National Qualifier Test, what is NQT, what is attitudinal alignment, what is psychometric test, so what is industry NQT. Here if you click on show more also, you will be getting all the questions over here. Okay, so you can search all these details if you have any concerns. So right now I'll show you how to register for this test. Okay, so right now I'm clicking on this register now option. So if I click this option, I'll be redirecting a new page where I'll be asking for create a new login, okay, or sign in directly. So already I have done signing to this page, right? So I'm asking to fill all this detail. So exactly what you will be finding the page, I'll show you. So if you click on register page, you will be asking like create an account. So I already taken the screenshots for your purpose, for the preference. So here you can find like create account. You have to select only the learner option over here. Okay, if you click on learner option, so that you can find like all the details, like fill your full name, your employee ID, you need to fill your first name, full name, your email ID, your password, and re-enter your password and your phone number. So after entering your phone number, you will be asking to validate number. So if you click on that, you will be getting an OTP. So after entering OTP, your number will be validated. Okay, so are you a minor? If you are below 18 years, then you have to click on minor and select the option like your guardian name or your parents name and mobile number you have to mention over there. Next you have to enter your captcha. Okay, and after entering captcha, you will be asking for submit option. So after submitting, then you will be asking this private terms and conditions to click on checkbox and click on OK. So if you wish to read all these details, you can check in these 3 types like privacy notice, privacy policy, and terms of use. For each and every tab, you will be having a checkbox. After checking in 3 tabs, you will be then you have to click OK. Okay, then next you will be redirected to this page, friends. That is welcome Pujita, and please select your state. So if you click on select a state like Andhra Pradesh or Telangana, like that state you can select and click on confirm. So after selecting this, you will be redirecting to a new page. Like this I will be showing you. So this is the page, you can find it. So if you can see this page, thank you for interest in TCS and national qualifier test. So you have to fill all these details, friends. So personal details like your full name, your email ID, your date of birth, and your residing state and residing city, means residing in sense in which city you are living and which state it comes into. Okay, and your gender you have to select, and your 10th class roll number, hall ticket number you have to mention over here. Okay, and enter mobile number. So after entering mobile number, you have to click on generate OTP. So you will be getting OTP, and you have to again enter the OTP over here also. Okay, and the next comes educational qualifications. So you can select your highest educational qualification. Okay, and next you can select here your institution where you have studied and your institution state and the city. Okay, you need to mention all your education till here. In if you can see, before I have showed you variance, right? According to that you have to fill these 3 columns. Like suppose if you can see here, candidates appear for the first time or reattempting the test taken previously can choose the from options below. So if you have first attempt or you are also reattempting it, so you need to select these options. Okay, so in NQT variants you are having different NQTs like IT programming, basic communication skills, right? Suppose you who have chosen IT programming will not be allowed to choose subject basic communication skills and vice versa. So IT is there, right? So if you can click no or IT programming no also, anything is okay. Okay, vice versa, according to your skills you can select over here. If you can read here, enter, you can get a knowledge over here. Okay, and next comes the option like examination details. So you have to select here preference, which state you wanted to write the exam. Okay, if you click on Andhra Pradesh, so you will be getting select city preference. So here the cities, all the where you wanted to write the exam, you can select the cities over here. Okay, so here if you are disabled, you can click on disable. If no, then click on no. Okay, and upload photography, you have to upload your passport size photograph and click here to upload it, and later you have to enter the captcha shown over here and the declaration. You have to click on this checkbox and click on submit. Once if you click on submit, you will be getting one confirmation mail like this. So thank you for you have successfully submitted the registration form for TCS Ion national qualifier test. So all the details will be coming over here. Okay, so this is the process for applying for TCS national qualifier test. All the best, friends. So if you have any details or queries regarding this, please mention your queries in the comment box. I'll be helping you regarding this. Okay, all the best, friends. Thank you.